Hello students, today we will do Tiryaka Tadasana and revision of Trikonasana and Vrikshasana. Tiryaka Tadasana method of doing. Stand straight, feet apart. Raise your hands upwards while breathing in. Keep your fingers interlocked with palms facing upwards. Breathe out and bend your body from the waist to the left side. Breathe in and come back to the center. Repeat this for the right side. Keep your fingers interlocked, breathe out and bend your body from the waist to the right side. Breathe in and come back to the center. Slowly bring your hands down and breathe normally. Now, benefits are calms the mind, stretches stomach, hands and back, helps the body to relax. Let's practice the asana.
Next asana is Trikonasana. Method of doing Trikonasana. Stand with your feet 1 meter apart. Raise your arms to the shoulder height. Breathe out slowly and bend to the left side. Try to touch your toe with left hand. Don't bend forward while doing so. Your right hand should be in straight line. Return to normal position and breathe in. Keep your feet 1 meter apart. Raise your arms again at your shoulder height. Breathe out. Bend your right side and try to touch your right toe with your right hand. Keep the left hand straight. Breathe in and return to the starting position, keeping your arms in one line. Now, benefits of this asana: loosens up muscles and joints of the whole body and makes the waistline slim. Repeat the steps once again. It also helps to increase the focus and concentration.
Stand straight, lift your right foot and place it over the left thigh. Stretch your arms upwards in Namaste position. Bring back to the original position. Now repeat the step. What are the benefits of Vrikshasana? It helps to keep the back straight, make movements of joints smooth, and help to increase height also.